I am seriously being used by Michael and Jill. Look at the recipe they gave me today. They wanted all this. Grilled cauliflower with grilled Brussels sprout, grilled chicken, fried aubergines. Oh, succulent, so spicy. They are so amazing. They taste so nice. Guess what? I had to run out today to go and buy chickpeas. They wanted chickpea salad with yogurt in it. Fried rice. Michael and Jill loves fried rice. This is their recipe. Oh my God. If you want to see how we make this, please visit us on Spicy Fafa on YouTube and join us.